boys and girls. So far, we have completed Lesson 1 in Social Studies. We have learned about regions and landforms in the United States. We have read pages 10 through 15. We also completed a vocabulary preview activity where you match vocabulary terms to its correct meaning. Let's review the vocabulary terms. Words 1 through 8 are all discussed in Lesson 1. Let's read the words. Region, landform, mountain, plain, desert, canyon, plateau, boundary. Now I need you to pause this video and go back to the vocabulary activity you completed last September 9th. Check your answers in the pink boxes. The answers are number 6, canyon, deep valley with steep rocky walls. Number 2, landform, natural feature on Earth's surface. Number 1, region, area in which places share similar characteristics. Number 7, plateau, large, flat, raised area of land. How did you make it? Did you get them all right?
Good job!
Now you're ready to take the quiz. Click on the quiz link in the Google Classroom.
Good luck!